I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Okra is a main ingredient in the Egyptian diet. You can find it almost all year round. The downside of okra that it takes some time to clean, to remove the rough edges and the tops and ends. So food brands came up with an excellent product that is already pre-cleaned and frozen. So now let's make this easy stew of Egyptian zero okra. I will add some canola. I like to make this dish vegan, but you can use ghee or butter. I will start by sautéing my chopped onions in the hot oils carefully. Later, add the okra. Mix it with the onions, lower the heat. Now it's time to add the chopped garlic, the fresh cilantro. Now it's time to add the tomato juice. I'll add my tomato paste, some water, the ground coriander, salt, and pepper. It's over. All what you need to do, just mix everything thoroughly together. Make sure that you're seasoning all over your stew. Lower the heat to the minimum. Cover your pot and leave it to gently simmer. I would say 15-20 minutes maximum. Just keep an eye so your liquid doesn't get reduced and you end up with a very thick sauce. We like the sauce to be medium, neither too thin nor too thick. The okra stew is ready. It didn't take more than 15 minutes to be perfectly cooked. Now I'm gonna plate it. All what I need to do is a drizzle of lemon. Serve this okra stew with some extra wedges of lemon. I want you to head to the closest Middle Eastern store and grab a frozen bag of okra or lady's fingers. Try to make this stew in your own kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below this video, and I am coming back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.